Okay guys, so in this episode we are going to unbox the the reverse kit that I got. So let's do that right now. Okay, here we go guys. Also, hit the subscribe and hit the bell so you know what to do guys. So thank you. Really appreciate you guys helping. Okay, first thing we got is two cables for the forward and the reverse. So here are these guys is. Just put that there. Let's see, what's this? We got some a bag of goodies. What was that? These are the bracket and then the gear selector for the reverse and the throttle cables. Well, not throttle, but the cables. Like that. Here we go. Here we have the actual handle. So, pretty nice. And then here is another bracket. Wow, look at the welds on that. Goodness. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the welds on it are horrible. I might weld this back up to make it stronger just a little bit, because they completely missed the top. They only did the inside. But we might not use it. I don't know yet. So and then here is the unit. So it's in bubble wrap. So let's undo it. Here it is guys. So this is a 30 series gearbox for the torque converter. So it's pretty nice. I think you gotta put oil in it. I'm pretty sure you put oil in it. I think it goes right in here. So there's that. So I'll let you guys, and I'm gonna install it right now. So you're gonna be into the next video. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna make another video, and for the install, or I might just do a short when it's all done, real quick. You know, I might do that. So stay tuned for that actually. So we're gonna do a short, YouTube short for that. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a good day, and subscribe and hit the bell. Peace.